Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your friends on GTA 5 Online, or rather, how to join up in a friend with a group, okay? Once you're playing GTA 5, because you want to meet up, you want to do missions together, how can we group up? Or rather, collab, rather, okay? Now with this one, as you can see, I'm currently drinking wine on my apartment. You can do this wherever you are in the map, may be in the clothing store, a supermarket, or you're in a gunfight. You can do this anywhere on GTA 5 Online map, okay? So with this one, simply click on the letter M on your keyboard. And then once you have this one, make sure you are registered as a boss. Okay? That being said, go back and then click on escape option, or rather escape keyboard on your right there, escape key on your keyboard. Sorry about that. So with this one, simply click on friends, and as you can see right here, I have 4 friends which are currently not online. They will be blue highlighted. The font will be colored blue if they're online. And with this one, if I click on them, there should be an option right here if they are online, where I can invite them in a current game, invite them to participate in mission with me. Okay. That being said, since they're not online, it won't show up. But if you double click on the name, it should show up right here. Okay. That being said, that's how you invite or add a friends on GTA 5 Online, on how to collab or do missions together. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.